Gadget gifters.
Simple coding. Challenging fun. Lego creations come to life with Lego Boost. Using the free app and their tablets, kids can code behaviors into whatever they create. Build 5 different models from one set, and each model has its own cool features and commands. Lego Boost is fun and educates your builder through play. Start inspiring their future with Lego Boost. Build, code, play.
What's in the box? We asked real kids to show us.
No way, I can feel it.
Whoa. Oh.
I'm literally petting the pet. Fetch.
You want some treats?
Let's jump.
Jump. Bitsy, the digital pets you can really touch.
Looking for the perfect way to spark a love for science and engineering in your child? Say hello to the Snap Circuits Junior SC100 Electronics Exploration Kit, the fun, hands-on way to learn about electronics. With over 100 exciting projects, kids can build everything from a working alarm to a flying saucer to a light-controlled siren, all with easy snap-together parts. No tools, no soldering, just pure discovery. Designed for ages 8 and up, this award-winning kit includes over 30 colorful components, each clearly labeled and safe to use. Snap Circuits Junior SC100 is a smart, screen-free way to play, learn, and explore.
Introducing Scribble and Play Kids, reusable drawing tablet by Boogie Board. You can draw and play with all kinds of textures using Boogie Board's Color Burst technology. When you finish drawing, just push to erase, just like magic, with no smudge marks left behind. You can draw with a texture drawing tools featuring 16 tips and edges, or anything you have on hand. The long-lasting replaceable battery means no plugs, no chargers, and more uninterrupted fun with Scribble and Play all day. Every Scribble and Play Creativity Kit comes with a reusable kids drawing tablet, a clear carrying case, 4 texture drawing tools, 3 stampers, and 2 paintbrush stylus.
Scribble and play, scribble and play. I love to create with my scribble and play.
It's Hatchimals Alive Mystery Hatch. Hatch one of 2 adorable Hatchimals. Who will you hatch? Let's find out.
To unbox your Hatchimal,
Ask a parent to help. Let's open it up and remove the 2 yellow key locks, like this. Easy! Now remove the egg from the box. But be careful, we want to keep the egg nice and safe as we take it out. Time for a helpful hatch tip. For the most magical hatch, dim the lights and place your egg on a hard, flat surface. Perfect! To start the hatch, insert the wings to wake up your Hatchimal. Do you hear that? A heartbeat! Now, let's love them to life. Try cuddling by rubbing the middle of the egg. Tapping, and your Hatchimal will tap back. Lifting, and rocking. Just wait for one reaction to finish before trying another. The more you play, the closer your Hatchimal is to hatching. Once you hear the special music and see the rainbow lights, that means something magical is about to happen. Listen carefully. It happens a few more times. Keep loving and playing until your egg starts to glow like a rainbow. Now, we should see the first pet. Yes! So cute! And check out that magical mist. Time for another hatch tip. During the hatch, you can hold your egg, pick it up, or leave it on the table. Hatch it your way. It's hatching! Look at those big, beautiful eyes. After they sing Hatchy Birthday, you can take them out of their shell. Time for another helpful hatch tip. Ask for help to break away any extra bits of shell and push the clips in to pull your Hatchimal out. Unbundle your Hatchimal. Remove the little heartstring here to free their little ears. But remember to keep the nest. There's a whole world of play you and Hatchimals can have. Welcome to the best part of the video. We're going to learn all the ways to play with your Hatchimal. Press and hold the heart until it turns teal. Once you hear your Hatchimal beep, it means your Hatchimal is listening. Let's say, I love you.
I love you.
Now let go and listen. Aww. You can even teach your Hatchimal to dance. Just rock them side to side and place them on a flat surface. Time for a dance party. You can feed, but be careful. Too much feeding can hurt their tummy. If you see the heart turn green, this means your Hatchimal is feeling sick. Lift your Hatchimal up, down, to teach them to flutter their wings.
Hey there, Hot Wheelers! Get ready to start your engines. In this video, I'm going to walk you through using the Smart Track. The Smart Track not only measures scale speed, laps, and lap times, but it also keeps track of distance, revs, loops, jumps, and other achievements. Oh, but before we hit the track, I'm going to impart some of my racer wisdom upon you with a pro tip. This is important, so listen up. Don't start with any cars in the booster or else it might break, and that would not be thrilling. Make sure you have the booster running before feeding cars into it. Okay, let's do this! First, you have to connect your device to the race portal using Bluetooth. So double check that your device's Bluetooth is on. If you haven't already, place your Smart Track portal in the booster, then tap the portal icon in the top right corner of the app to connect your device. Now, turn on your Smart Track's portal. I know you're excited to hit the road, but be careful. The Hot Wheels ID booster is powerful. And play is not about power, but about skill. When you pump the booster, keep it in the blue zone. If you launch your car while you're in the red zone, that means you're redlining, and your car's probably gonna go flying off the track, especially on curves. Be calm, be cool, be in control. It's controlled power that makes a racing legend legendary. Currently, there are two play modes for the Smart Track, Free Play and Campaign. Let's go through each one, starting with Free Play. Free Play mode is great for scanning in new cars, building different configurations with your Smart Track, and measuring your car's performance. After you've chosen Free Play mode in the app and connected your device, you'll see a couple of reminders about knowing when to boost and launch your cars. Now, we race. You are the creator of your own track. For real. Start connecting Smart Track pieces however you want. You'll see each piece appear on screen in real time. Keep building until you've perfected your track. Once you have your track set up, begin pumping the booster. Remember, stay out of the red zone. We don't want flying cars. Maybe in the future, but not now. Then carefully feed your cars into the booster. I said it once and I'll say it again. Don't start with your cars in the booster or else it might break. Make sure the booster is running before feeding cars into it. Now, you should be racing away and measuring your car's performance. Welcome to Campaign Mode. In Campaign Mode, you can really up your game by beating guided challenges to get rewards. The further you progress, more challenges are unlocked, and each one gets a little more difficult as you get better. Select Campaign Mode in the app and pick your event. All of the challenges for that event will be displayed on the screen. Tap the Race button and you'll be directed to your virtual garage where you can see all of your active Hot Wheels ID cars. Here's the last opportunity before starting the event to scan in more cars into the race portal. Tap the Race button and watch as Hot Wheels City comes to life in the app. Practice makes progress, racers. The first 4 events will teach you booster control, speed, and throttle control, and circuit race timing. Once you complete these 4 events, you'll be ready for the whole campaign. The first challenge only uses the Smart Track booster, so don't connect any Smart Track pieces or feed any cars into it quite yet. If you have a car sitting in the portal for the first challenge, you'll receive a Car Not Allowed error message. All you have to do is take the car out of the race portal. You'll also receive an error message if you've added Smart Track pieces too early. These unneeded track pieces will be shown in red. But no worries, you can always back up and disconnect those pieces from the portal. Pump the booster to rev up, but remember, stay under the red line. Once you've moved on to more difficult challenges that do use cars, carefully feed your Hot Wheels ID cars into the booster to launch them. Then complete all 3 challenges for each event to get rewards. If you don't have your smart device but feel the need for speed, it's all good. You can still play on the Smart Track and it'll measure limited information on your cars. All you have to do is turn on the portal and start playing. The portal button will pulse blue for about 30 seconds after you turn it on. Then it'll turn orange. This means it's in offline mode. When you connect your portal back to your device, your cars will get credit for their play. That's it for now, racers. See you on the track. For more information, visit HotWheelsID.com.
Take your adventures to new heights with this mini drone with camera, the perfect flying companion for both kids and adults. Capture epic aerial shots with the built-in HD camera and stream real-time video straight to your phone. Whether you're flipping through the sky or hovering for that perfect selfie, this drone delivers smooth, stable flight every time. Packed with features like one-key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and 360 flips, it's super easy to fly, even for beginners. Planning an indoor flight session or heading outside. This compact drone fits in your pocket, making it perfect for travel parties or just everyday fun. Safe, durable, and ready to soar, this is not just a toy, it's a flying experience. Unleash the sky with the mini drone with camera. Your flight starts now.
Introducing the remote control robot dog from Top Race. Give your dog commands with the included easy-to-use remote control. And watch as he plays the day away. Take him for walks.
Somersault.
And even control him using your voice. He even imitates other animals. From Top Race.
Introducing the Tech Kitty Zoom Smartwatch DX4, the ultimate smartwatch made just for kids. Packed with features, this cool gadget lets kids take photos, videos, and even selfies with dual cameras, then jazz them up with awesome filters and frames. But wait, it's not just a camera. It's a touchscreen smartwatch with fun games, a voice recorder, a pedometer, and even a motion sensor for action-packed play.
It's 10:30 a.m.
Kids can learn to tell time with custom watch faces, and parents. You'll love the parental controls that help manage playtime. Stylish, smart, and super fun, the Kitty Zoom Smartwatch DX4 is more than just a watch. It's a wrist-sized adventure.
No problem.
Just for me.
It's